Anvita. I am from class 4. Today I am going to explain my experiment potential energy determination with the help of car and ramp. It's very simple and interesting experiment. So, what is potential energy? Potential energy is the energy which is stored in an object due to its position. In the other words, potential energy is the energy which an object holds due to its position relative to the other object. For this experiment, we will require writing pad, books, car and toy cars and measuring tape. First, put the book on the ground and place one side of the writing pad on it. Keep the other side of the pad on the ground, which will create a ramp for the toy cars. Measure the height of the writing pad from the ground, like this. Measure the width of the car. Now, place the car on the ramp and release it without applying any force. Measure the distance travelled by the car. Take 2 more readings for calculating the average speed. Now, raise the height of the ramp by placing one more book like this. Again, measure the height of the writing pad from the ground like this. Now, repeat the steps 3 times to release the car from the ramp and measuring the distance travelled by the car. The potential energy is calculated with the formula. Potential energy is equal to mass of the object multiplied by height of the object multiplied by gravitational force. Create the observation sheet. We observe that as the height of the ramp increases, the car covers more distance. This implies that the potential energy of the car increases with height. Now, take a heavier car and take readings again. Also, calculate the potential energy and compare the results. As the weight of the car increases, it travels more distance, which concludes that potential energy depends on the mass of the object. Potential energy is very useful concept in our day-to-day life. It can be easily understood by the help of our experiment. I hope you like this experiment and you can also try it at your home. Thank you.